Hi sweetlings, it's me again. Hihingi muna ako ng paumanhin if may mga long pauses ako or humihingal ako while nagsasalita or sumisimbot ako while nagsasalita kasi meron pa rin po akong colds and migraine. But anyway, I'm gonna be teaching you today the tips and tricks that you should know using Canva. But before I'm gonna be teaching you all of that, I'm gonna be sharing you a story. As a HVA or VA, sometimes our client would ask us na, can you edit this picture? Can you crop this picture? Can you do something about this picture? Parang, creative na dapat mong gawin. Yung story is my client, yung client ko ngayon, sabi niya na may a-attendan daw siyang parang career conference, something like that. And isa daw siya sa mga speaker. And yung nag-handle ng program, nire-require siya na mag-submit ng biography. So, yung client ko, she asked me if I can do the biography for her. And she gave me her updated resume and I made a biography out of that resume. At first, ginawa ko siya sa Microsoft, but I don't like how it looks like. Parang hindi appealing, something like that. So ginawa ko siya sa Canva. And after some edits and proofreading, yun, nagustuhan niya yung ginawa kong biography sa kanya. And she said na if may mga editing pa daw, ako yung re-requestan niya. Tumaba naman yung heart ko mga time na yun. So yeah, the takeaway of that experience is that it's good na may knowledge ka on something, but we don't know na magagamit mo siya in the near future. Yun yung reason why I made this video. If wala ka pa pong Canva account, please visit the description box below. May link po ako doon na pwede mong i-click in making your Canva account.
Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw yung unang makakita. After niyo po makagawa ng account gamit ng aking link, ito po yung tatambad sa iyo, yung homepage ng Canva. What I need you to do first is kilalanin niyo muna how Canva works para easy na lang po sa inyo ang pag-navigate ng Canva, especially the sizes. For example, the social media, Instagram, Facebook sizes, and the size of the logo, presentation, mga something like that. And in today's tutorial, since palagi akong nasa YouTube, let's use the size of the YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, makikita mo agad yung mga templates ng YouTube thumbnail. Now, let's play with the background first. So, pinili ko po yung blank template. As soon as you click that blank template, ito po yung tatambad sa iyo. Now, if you click the blank template, may makikita kang color sa ibabaw. If you click that color, ito po yung tatambad sa iyo. Pwede ka po mag-choose kung ano yung color na gusto mo. Now, if you're using Canva for free, wala ka pong access sa transparent background na tool. May bayad po kasi yun. So, yung trick na ginagamit ko always is to use this neon green color as a background ng mga ginagawa kong design and save it as PNG. Now, para ma-layer ko yung design ko sa video ko, ginamit ko po yung chroma key ng Kinemaster or Kinemaster. Kung ayaw mo po yung simple color lang ng background mo, you can always choose the background menu and pili ka ng mga gusto mong background dyan. Next is copying a background color. All you need to do is click the color of the template. May makikita kang number. Memorize the number or list the number. Then, and i-type mo siya sa search color ng design mo. Ayan, lumabas na siya. And click mo lang yan. And yeah, copy mo na yung color na gusto mo. Next is, let's discuss the text effects. Now, if you click the text menu, may makikita ka pong templates ng mga text. Una mong makikita ay yung mga recommended text na always din na ginagamit ng mga user ng Canva. Now, pumili tayo ng simple text lang. Let's choose this rodeo. If i-click mo po yung text, may makikita ka ding another tool sa ibabaw ng text. Play around with the tool para alam mo kung ano yung gamit niya. If i-click mo po yung effects na tool, may makikita ka po mga ganito sa left side ng screen mo. Now, let's zoom in para makita mo yung kaibahan ng each effects. You can play around with these effects. Just make sure that you will choose the, correct fonts or typeface for your text. And make sure na readable pa rin siya kahit na phone yung gamit mo. Grouping and copy-paste. This is another trick na you should know in copying a design. Like for example, in this template, gusto kong i-copy itong whole design ng dalawang Polaroids, but ayaw ko siyang isa-isahin na pag-copy. So what I need to do is to group this design. Then in copying, you just have to Control C and transfer it to your blank Canva. Control V. Ayan na. Nakopy mo na siya yung whole design niya. Now, let's add a video on our design. Now, let's make our design more trendy. So, let's use an element here. Now, let's add an iPhone element where we can add an image or a video. How to know if you can add a video or an image to a design? May makikita kang clouds and green field, something like that. Now, in adding a video, you'll have to drag the uploaded video directly to your design. The same goes in adding an image to your element. Drag mo lang siya directly to the design or to the element. Now, once na add mo na yung video directly to your element, make sure na nag-group mo yung design mo para easy na lang ang pag-copy-paste ng design mo. Especially kapag gusto mong gamitin yung design mo on your next project. Now, if wala kang idea kung ano yung video na gusto mong i-add, may templated video din si Canva na pwede mong gamitin. Next is using the right keywords for your elements and stickers. In searching for a design, use first the single tail keywords kasi mas madami kang makikitang design if single tail keyword mo na yung gamitin mo. Pwede kang mag-search sa photo na menu and pwede ka din mag-search sa element na menu for your free designs. If you're into journal type of design, you can always use the washi tape, Polaroid, rip paper, or paper, torn paper. Now, let's add music to our design. All you have to do is simply go to the music menu. Hindi ko pa na-try na mag-upload ng music directly to Canva. Dito lang ako usually humahanap ng music. Play around with the music selection here kasi napakaganda po ng mga free music nila dito sa Canva. Lastly is the stop motion and animation. Napakadali lang gawin ito kasi mag-a-add ka lang ng layer ng iyong design. For example here, gusto kong lumabas pa isa-isa yung letter ng pangalan ko kasi gusto ko siyang i-layer sa video ko. Now, itong last and final page ng aking design, gusto ko siyang lagyan ng animation. As you can see, this whole page, may napili na akong animation nito. At neon animation yung pinili ko. May other animation pa dito. You can also adjust the time of each page. Click mo lang tong oras dito sa gilid ng animation kung gusto nyo i-adjust yung oras. Let me show you guys another sample of stop motion animation. Like for example here, gusto ko i-scatter yung letter and each page paunti-unti siyang napo-form into words.
After completing all designs, punta naman tayo sa Kinemaster para i-finalize yung design natin.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned so much in today's video. If you're new here on my YouTube channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Click that notification bell kasi on my next video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys some tips and tricks about Photoshop editing.
Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye sweetlings, take care!